welcome to another edition of On This Planet Earth. I'm Mark Gilchrist, and this week we're in Guilin, China. We're gonna go on a culinary caper. Let's eat. Well, this week's is pretty interesting. I had seen this sort of thing while in Georgia visiting my brother. They bake bread in these huge masonry ovens, like a big bowl. They build a fire in the bottom and they roll the dough out and they just slap it on the wall of the oven and let it bake. They retrieve it with a hook. It was fun to watch. But here in China, I found something a little more exciting. Something really different. I found a restaurant that makes these with meat inside them. It's great, it's a whole meal, at least for me. I'm told the concept originated here in China along the coast in a province just south of Shanghai. Let me show you how it's done. I'm here with a new friend. He manages the hostel I'm staying at. We're at my favorite restaurant here, and they make a bread thing. It's really neat. I'm gonna try and make one here. So we'll see.
So right now you can put some oil on your hand.
And I take some of this.
Yeah.
Alright, and then I mush it.
Yeah, mush it.
Alright. Alright. And we put... Okay. Like that? So the meat goes in there just like that. So I have a big ball of meat wrapped in bread right now. No, just put it right in. Okay, good. Now put seasoning on it. Seeds of some sort. Okay. And then you take a cutting knife. And pull it off. I'm not doing it well. He'll get it right. There we go. Okay.
You want to do that by yourself? Really?
I think so. I'm pretty brave.
Because
we put this side in, right?
It's really hot inside.
And I just, well, let me get a feel for it. And then just stick it in. Ah. I got it. I burned my finger. Slap it in. Now we just wait. He cleans the wall of it off with this. Now let me pay him. This is really clever. What he does, it's a box for customers, and he just opens it, and they throw their money in. If they need change, they can pull change out. People very honest here. This is the fuel that he uses. Okay, takes this and puts it right there. See, she cooks corn in here and she cooks sweet potatoes in here also. So, hello. Oh, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine. So now I have to get back to work, and we're using these. And I get the top part, and I just pull it.
No, it's broken that.
No. There we go. He's got it.
There we go.
Okay.
All right.
There you go.
Oh, okay. And all right, it's destroyed. I think it's. There we go. I got it.
Okay.
Hey, they're steaming hot. Hey, let's go eat.
This one made by yourself.
I made it myself, everybody. Unbelievable. Get about that far and then fold it in half. Yeah. All right, that was a great meal. And what is the name of the restaurant, Jerry?
The name is Shaobing Wang.
Shaobing Wang.
Yeah.
And Shaobing is the name of that food, the bread. So I'm losing light here. The name of that bread, and Wang is king. So it was the The bread king.
Yeah, the best king.
Whoops. Well, hey, thanks for hanging for my latest culinary caper. Making bread in Guilin, China. I'm Mark Gilchrist, and I am, and you are, we all are, on this planet Earth. Different here. It seems, I think it's small. Some kind of celebration. I don't know. Well, that was exciting.